In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grammarly in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have the Grammarly add-in ready to help you write clearer, more polished emails right inside Outlook. First, open your web browser and go to grammarly.com/office-add-in/downloading. This is Grammarly's official download page for the Office add-in, which includes Outlook. Make sure the address looks correct so you know you're getting the installer from the right place. Next, give the download a moment to start and complete. Most browsers show progress at the bottom or top of the window, and the file will typically land in your Downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose your usual download location so it's easy to find. A stable internet connection helps here. Just let it finish before moving on. When the download completes, click the file to open it. You can do this from your browser's downloads bar or by opening your downloads folder and double-clicking the installer. If Windows asks whether to allow the app to make changes, choose Yes. That's a normal security prompt for installing trusted software. The installer will open with a simple setup flow. Click Get Started, then click Install. The add-in will begin installing the necessary components for Microsoft Office, including Outlook. It's best if Outlook is closed during this step so the installer can add everything cleanly. The process usually takes just a minute or two. When it finishes, you can close the installer. Now open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. This process applies to the desktop version of Outlook. Give Outlook a moment to load your inbox fully. Once it's ready, you should see new Grammarly options on the ribbon at the top of the window. If you don't spot them immediately, look for a Grammarly button or tab that's been added to the toolbar. To use it, click Grammarly, then choose Reply with Grammarly. This opens a reply window enhanced by Grammarly's writing assistance. You'll notice suggestions as you type, covering grammar, spelling, clarity, and tone, all designed to help you send more professional emails with less effort. You can review suggestions one by one, accept the ones you want, and keep typing naturally. That's it. You visited the official Grammarly download page, let the installer complete, ran it, clicked Get Started and Install, launched Outlook, and then used Reply with Grammarly from the new Grammarly controls. With the add-in in place, every reply can benefit from real-time writing feedback right where you work. Thanks for watching, and enjoy writing better emails with less editing time.